Feel the rush of speed and strength as we take wood processing to intense new heights. From lightning-fast machines to massive cuts, this is pure mechanical thrill in motion. Strap in, because things are about to get intense. Time to check out a true powerhouse in the cutting game. This industrial-grade bandsaw by Metal Agricola is built for serious performance, rugged construction, clean precision, and rapid slicing ability. Whether it's side or front cuts, the customizable blade system adapts with ease. And with built-in safety enhancements, it's clearly engineered for professionals who demand efficiency and reliability. Honestly, Metal Agricola looks like a brand worth exploring for heavy-duty jobs. Check out this classic log splitter, like something pulled straight from an old-school American farm. With its rusty frame and old mechanics, it may seem outdated, even a bit dangerous. But there's a certain beauty in its rugged design, a raw, vintage charm that you just don't see anymore. The best part? It's still going strong, slicing through heavy logs like it's brand new. After all these years, this machine stands as a true symbol of American craftsmanship, tough, reliable, and built to last. Fire cone splitter versus hydraulics, the ultimate showdown. White heavy checkmark cone splitter. High voltage sign a lightning fast, brutally simple, just point and let the cone do its thing. Police cars revolving light but yikes! One wrong move and you're starring in an emergency room documentary. White heavy checkmark hydraulics. Turtle slower? Maybe. But safer, controlled, and way more forgiving when fatigue kicks in. Electric light bulb solid advice, if you value your fingers, maybe don't play a bullet dodger with a spinning cone. Bullseye bottom line? Speed demon? Cone splitter's your risky ride. Safety first? Hydraulics won't betray you. Warning sign hash no matter what, stay sharp, stay safe. Police cars revolving light attention Firewood legends. We just entered the future of wood processing with Posh's AutoCut 700cc. Fire 15 cubic meters per hour. High voltage sign touchscreen command center. Robot face automatic feed system. This isn't some backyard toy, this is a wood-destroying Terminator built for warriors who mean business. Explosion symbol game changer? That's an understatement. Posh didn't just raise the bar, they nuked the competition. Rocket serious about Firewood? This machine is your ticket to the big leagues. Witness the revolution. White down pointing backhand index. Whoa! Did you just see the BH-80 except destroy that tree? This machine isn't just powerful, it's an absolute forest titan. Tree fire. Watch it churn through timber like a monster truck on steroids, no hesitation, no mercy. Ravenous beast? That's an understatement. This thing EATS wood for breakfast. Flexed bicep serious power, serious results. Got trees to clear? This is your war machine. Just stand back, fire it up, and let the beast go wild. Articulated lorry dash symbol. Fire hold on to your seats, legend lovers. Check out this beast, the Kenworth K104B, straight from New Zealand, still dominating the road like it's 1999. Articulated lorry, that retro grind. Listen to that diesel thunder, no fancy computers, just pure, unfiltered muscle. Flexed biceps built tough, built to last. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling icon, a steel-clad warrior from the golden era of real machinery. Guitar old school? More like unstoppable school. While new trucks are busy with sensors and beeps, this legend just fires up and gets the job done. Rocket spotted a real one? Tag a truck lover. Fire West Coast cedar logging, where legends are made. This ain't just logging, it's high-stakes timber artistry. Artist palette. Eyes watch a true master at work. This guy? He's not just cutting wood, he's orchestrating a chainsaw symphony, making the impossible look effortless. Skill not for the faint of heart. One wrong move? Game over. That's why big respect for the skill, precision, and safety this craft demands. Hammer and wrench hash wanna learn? Shut up and watch. Every cut, every drop, this is a masterclass in timber taming. Rocket salute the grind. Meet the godfather of wood splitters, the Pashidro Combi. This ain't just a splitter, it's a timber Armageddon machine on a rampage. Explosion symbol 26 tons of earth-shattering force. Devours logs up to 40-inch wide. High-voltage sine hydropower meets surgical precision. Watch as it murders massive logs like they're toothpicks, no flinching, no struggling, just raw domination. Rocket efficient? That's an understatement. This is your ticket from backyard hack to PRO log slayer. Warning sign hash warning. May cause. White heavy checkmark instant productivity addiction. White heavy checkmark uncontrollable log stacking urges. White heavy checkmark severe equipment envy in neighbors. Bullseye bottom line? If you're serious about wood processing, stop playing and upgrade to the big leagues. Wow, just look at this beast of a machine. 2 decades old, yet it's slicing through timber like it's nothing. Hard to imagine, isn't it? This is craftsmanship at its peak, a living legend from a time when durability was everything. They really knew how to build with strength and soul. This powerhouse still roars with purpose, now that's what I'd call unstoppable. Witness the brute force of the Cat 345 BL Series 2 in full action. This powerhouse doesn't clear trees, it annihilates them like they're nothing. It's not just strong, it's relentless. The raw demolition on display is a next-level showcase of heavy machinery domination. Honestly, these trees never stood a chance against this unstoppable giant. Now this is some next-level logging, built to handle those extreme landscapes with precision. It's almost like a high-elevation operation, keeping the forest floor cleaner and less disrupted. Whether it's a tower system, a swing setup, or a mobile rig, there's a solution for every terrain. Sure, the equipment's an investment, and it takes serious know-how to operate, but when it comes to hauling timber from steep, unforgiving slopes, nothing beats this. Efficiency? We're talking about a 508-pound beast powered by a 300-horsepower V8 engine. Seriously, have you ever even imagined a chainsaw this extreme? Massive doesn't even begin to describe it. This thing is an absolute beast of a saw. It's built like a monster and cuts like one too. But sometimes, even the most powerful machines fall victim to their own strength. It's wild how a beast can trip over its own power. Chopping firewood? This portable chainsaw log stand makes the job way easier. It's quick to set up, easy to carry, and holds your logs firmly so you can cut safely and efficiently. Whether you're a camper, a homeowner, or just prepping for winter, this tool keeps things fast and hassle-free. No extras, no gimmicks, just solid performance. Now that's what you call a functional upgrade. This homemade log splitter went from basic to brilliant with just a few clever modifications. Swapping in larger gears for extra force? Smart move. And those angled blades? Perfect for smoother, faster cuts. Sometimes, the smartest upgrades aren't complicated, they're just plain effective. Right, drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire heat. Now this is the kind of sawmill that hits different. There's just something hypnotic about those giant spinning blades, slicing through thick logs like it's nothing. And that sound? That's not noise, that's the rhythm of pure productivity. Honestly, I've got questions. How big is that blade? And what kind of engine power is driving that beast? Alright, listen up weekend woodcutters. If you've got an ATV and dreams of moving your own logs, this homemade log arch might be exactly what you need. The design's super straightforward, looks like you could throw it together right in your own garage, and it won't break the bank either. This simple rig could easily become your new best tool. Watch this in action and just try not to imagine building one for yourself. Let's break it down. This Moorebark 4036 drum chipper, powered by a cat engine cranking out 765 horsepower, is a total beast. Toss in mixed hardwood, softwood, full limbs, this machine eats it all without hesitation. It loaded up 31 metric tons in just 22 minutes. That's serious productivity. Even burning through 56 to 62 liters of fuel per hour, the output more than justifies the cost. For massive jobs, this is the kind of muscle you want on your side. Now that's a splitter done right, neat design, efficient performance, and seems pretty safe to operate too. It ticks all the right boxes for anyone serious about firewood. If I had to suggest one small improvement, though, adding an auto-return feature for the piston would take it to the next level. Just sit back and let it cycle on its own, small adjustment, big boost in convenience. Whoa, if you blinked, you definitely missed it. That stump got obliterated in an instant. The sheer speed and force behind that grinder is next level. One moment it's a solid chunk of wood, the next it's straight up sawdust. Modern machines are wild, turning thick, stubborn stumps into nothing within seconds. Seriously impressive stuff. Done struggling with heavy logs? Meet the LS37 Pro, the powerhouse that turns firewood duty into a breeze. This hydraulic beast delivers 37 tons of crushing force and slices through each log in just 7 seconds. You'll have a full stack ready before your coffee even cools down. It handles pieces up to 24 inches with ease. Forget the old school struggle, this is next-gen splitting at its finest.
In this video, we take a deep dive into one of the most powerful woodcutting machines made in the USA. This isn't just any ordinary saw, it's a drill-type beast designed to tear through thick logs like butter. Built for extreme logging operations, this machine combines brute force with precise engineering. Its rotating drill head can slice, split, and shred massive tree trunks in seconds. You'll see it mounted on a heavy-duty transport, showing off its oversized and rugged build. Every bolt, every hydraulic arm, every spin screams industrial power. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but this monster is very real. Designed for efficiency in the toughest terrains, it's a true marvel of forestry equipment. Watch closely as it operates, it's not just cutting wood, it's dominating the forest. If you're into extreme machines, this is one demo you don't want to miss.